Which over-the-toilet storage is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the real gems. Today, we're breaking down 5 options that can help you declutter your bathroom and make the best use of that often overlooked space. Product number 1, Simple Trending Black Shelf. First up is the Simple Trending Over-the-Toilet Storage Cabinet. This sleek black 3-tier shelf is priced at $32.97 and has a solid 4.6-star rating from over 3,300 reviews. What caught my attention was its blend of style and functionality. If you want to neatly organize your bathroom without taking up extra room, this is worth a serious look. It cleverly utilizes the vertical space above your toilet, giving you plenty of room for towels, shampoos, and even potted plants. With a sturdy design made from thick steel tubing, it's rust-proof and comes with non-slip foot pads to keep everything stable. Here's why this matters. The 24.25 wide and 64 height dimensions fit most standard toilets, while the 3 hooks and towel rack mean you can hang essentials right where you need them. Now, some users reported that the assembly instructions were a bit confusing. Here's the thing though, once you get over that initial hurdle, it's a solid piece that looks great and holds up well. So if you're not particularly handy, it might take you a little longer to set up, but don't let that deter you. This is perfect for you if you're looking to tidy up a small bathroom and need stylish storage. Skip this one if you prefer a more minimalist design since it has a noticeable presence. Overall, for under $33, you're getting a good value for a well-functioning organizer. Now, if that assembly concern worried you, the next option might take a completely different approach. Product number 2, Simple Trending Freestanding Rack. Next is another offering from Simple Trending, this time their freestanding 3-tier bathroom organizer shelf at $33.99. It shares the same high rating of 4.6 stars, which is impressive. What I loved about this one is its design that seamlessly fits behind the toilet, perfect for tight spaces. If you're aiming for maximum organization without cluttering the floor, this is definitely worth considering. This rack provides 3 mesh shelves and includes a roll holder along with removable hooks, making it super convenient for everyday bathroom needs. The thick iron pipes ensure it's rust-resistant and easy to clean, which is essential in a humid bathroom environment. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The additional stability from its widened base design means you don't have to worry about it toppling over while you're reaching for something. However, some users mentioned that the shelves felt a bit flimsy for heavier items. Now, I'll be real with you, while I get that concern, as long as you're using it for lighter items, it holds up just fine and looks great doing it. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional storage solution in a compact design. Skip this if you need to store heavy items, as it might not be the best fit. For under $34, it's another solid choice for adding utility to your bathroom. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more space. Product number 3, Simple Trending White Shelf. The third product is the Simple Trending Over-the-Toilet Storage Rack in white, priced at $29.97. It has the same stellar rating of 4.6 stars and is particularly appealing if you're after a lighter color scheme. If you want something that brightens your space while keeping it organized, this is worth your attention. The waterproof coating on the thick iron pipes means it's built to last, resisting rust and moisture. The bottom shelf is conveniently designed to fit behind most standard toilets, so you won't run into issues with space. Some buyers pointed out that the assembly instructions could be clearer. Honestly, while it might take a bit to figure it out, once it's up, it's stable and functional. It won't be an issue if you're patient and take your time during installation. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish way to utilize that awkward space above the toilet. Skip this if you're in a rush and need something that's super easy to put together right away. At under $30, it's a solid investment for a clean, organized bathroom. Now, if you're looking for something even more heavy-duty, let's look at the next option. Product number 4, Glow Tika Heavy Duty Rack. Next up is the Glow Tika 3-tier over toilet storage, priced at $29.99. With a 4.6-star rating from over 2,100 reviews, this one caught my eye for its heavy-duty design. If you need a storage solution that can handle a bit of weight without wobbling, this is definitely worth a look. The dimensions allow it to fit nicely above your commode, and it has 3 spacious open tiers perfect for storing toilet paper, towels, and other essentials. Here's why this matters. The added security from the anti-tilt kit means you can confidently store heavier items without worrying about tipping. However, some users found it a bit difficult to assemble. Now here's my perspective. While the assembly might take some effort, the final result is a robust unit that pays off in stability and space. This is perfect for you if you need a strong and stable shelf that won't budge under pressure. Skip this one if you want something that's super lightweight and easy to set up right out of the box. For just under $30, you're getting a robust solution that's worth every penny. Now, if you're interested in something with a bit more style and versatility, the final product has that covered. Product number 5, Calrin Vintage Storage Rack. Last but not least, we have the Calrin Over-the-Toilet Storage Rack, priced at $69.99. This one's rated 4.5 stars and offers a unique vintage look that can really enhance your bathroom's aesthetic. If you want a blend of style and functionality, this could be your go-to. This rack features 4 tiers, including 3 adjustable shelves and a removable basket for additional storage. Constructed from thick wood and metal, it's not only stylish but also durable, with each shelf capable of holding up to 30 pounds. Here's why this matters. The adjustable shelves let you customize the space to fit larger items, making it incredibly versatile. However, the price point is higher than the others. Some might find it a bit steep. But look, if you're seeking a blend of quality craftsmanship and aesthetic appeal, this could justify the investment. This is perfect for you if you want something stylish that can adapt to your storage needs. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, as it does cost a bit more. For what you get, though, it's a worthwhile addition to any bathroom. To wrap up, all 5 of these over-the-toilet storage solutions offer unique benefits. Whether you want something simple and functional or stylish and adjustable, there's something here for every type of space and need. So there you have it, 5 excellent over-the-toilet storage options. From the practical and affordable simple trending shelves to the stylish Calrin rack, there's something here for everyone. Think about your space and how you want to use it, and you can't go wrong with any of these choices.